Metal injection molding, or MIM, has a well-deserved reputation for delivering the highest-performing small precision parts in the metal forming industry. Its secret? MIM's unique production process. This achieves significantly higher density than anything possible with standard powdered metallurgy. It starts when superfine metal powders are combined with a primary paraffin wax material and a secondary thermoplastic polymer. The resulting mixture is extruded and chopped into tiny pellets. These are heated before being injected into a mold cavity under high pressure. It is a technique that delivers tighter, net-shaped tolerances over high production runs, making it possible to produce extremely complex components with enhanced surface finishes. Once molded, the component, what we call a green part, has an identical geometry to the finished part, but is about 20% larger. This allows for shrinkage later in the process. The part is then put into a furnace to remove most of the binders during the debinding process. At this point, it is referred to as a brown part. In the final stage, sintering heats the component to temperatures near the melting point of its metal. This eliminates the remaining binder and gives the part its final geometry and strength. The result? High-precision parts delivering world-leading strength, corrosion resistance, and density. Optimim, when only the best will do.